Hello everyone, I'm Eva. Today, I'm going to share a beautiful experience of my family visit to the zoo. Let's get started. Good morning everyone. It's a fresh start and we have an exciting plan for today.
Good morning. I slept really well and I feel completely ready to start the day.
Is it zoo day today? I was so excited. I could hardly sleep last night. I can't wait to see all the animals and take lots of pictures.
Yes, it's zoo day. But let's wake up slowly first.
I am still a bit sleepy, but I'm really excited for the day ahead.
It's all right. We've got enough time. Let's start by brushing our teeth.
Clean teeth make us feel fresh and ready for the day.
The mint flavor wakes me up. I really like it.
These bubbles always make me laugh so much.
Today's breakfast includes toast, eggs, and warm milk. Eat well, so you have lots of energy for the day.
This smells really good. I'm getting hungry now.
These oats are so yummy. I really like them.
I'm preparing delicious food to take with us to the zoo.
Mom, why are you packing my hat?
Your hat will protect you from the sun when we walk around the zoo.
Oh, okay, Mom. I will wear it at the zoo then.
All the items are packed. The bag is ready.
Emily, have you packed everything in the bag?
Yes, Dad. Everything is already in the bag.
Great job, Emily. We're all set to go now.
I can put on my shoes all by myself today. Ha ha!
Well done. Independence is very important for you.
Okay, everyone, it's finally time to get ready to leave.
Dad, what's the plan for going to the zoo?
We will go by car and reach there in a short time.
Okay, everyone, it's finally time to get ready to leave.
Everyone, put your seatbelts on. Safety comes first.
Thank you for listening. It really helps us a lot. Always.
The city looks really very busy this morning.
I see many cars and buses on the road outside.
Yes, mornings are just like this every day.
Let's discuss what we are going to do at the zoo today.
I want to see the giraffes first because they are my favorite animal.
I want to see the lions and monkeys first because they are very exciting.
If you feel lost, don't panic. Just stay where you are.
Wow, the zoo is much bigger than I imagined.
Yes, there are many paths here. We need to stay close together.
Let's start by visiting the giraffes.
Wow, their necks are so long. It looks amazing.
They move very slowly, but they're very tall. The lion looks amazing. I've never seen one this close.
Yes, it's truly amazing to see such a majestic animal up close.
Can we go and see the monkeys now?
Yay! I can't wait to see the monkeys.
Let's go quickly so we don't miss them.
Of course the monkeys are this way.
Look at them jumping everywhere. Ha ha!
Yes, they're so energetic and funny.
Yes, that's why everyone loves the monkey area.
Let's go see the elephants. I am so excited.
Yes.
Look at the elephants. They are very calm and extremely strong.
Their ears are so huge, they keep moving them a lot. It looks amazing.
I really like how they stay together as a family all the time.
Yes, animals also need love, family, and care.
I love exploring the zoo. It's so fun to sit and watch everything.
Yes, it's a great place to relax and enjoy with family.
I can't wait. I will go see the white tiger myself.
No, Leo, you must stay with us. We don't go alone here.
Wow, I see a bird. It's so beautiful and colorful. Let me go and follow that bird. It looks so beautiful.
Leo, stop. Why are you running so fast?
Mom, I want to catch the bird. Oh no, I am lost in a zoo. I don't know where to go.
Hello, little boy. Are you okay? Where is your family?
I think I'm lost. I can't see my family anywhere.
It's okay. Stay calm. We will find them together. Don't worry.
Mom, Leo was just here. Now I can't find him.
Don't panic. We'll check nearby and find him.
Stay calm. We'll ask for help and find him quickly.
Let's go to the Lost and Found. They can help us find Leo.
Excuse me, my son is missing. Can you please help us find him?
Don't worry. We will make an announcement and help you find him quickly. Attention, please. A young boy named Leo is missing. He is wearing a green t-shirt, carrying a blue bag, and has a small teddy with him. If anyone finds him, please bring him to the Lost and Found area immediately.
Thank God. We found Leo. He's safe.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Leo, you scared me so much. I'm so happy you're safe.
Leo, you must never go off alone like that again. It's not safe.
Let's keep walking together and enjoy the zoo.
Okay, I won't go alone again. Let's enjoy together.
Great. Now let's have a peaceful walk.
Can we see another animal before we leave the zoo? Please?
Yes, one more. Then we go home and rest peacefully together.
Great! I can't wait to see another animal. I'm so excited.
It's getting late now, so we should head home together, safely.
Okay, everyone. Let's go to the taxi now and head home safely. I think everyone is feeling really tired now after walking in the zoo.
It was a long day, but we enjoyed every moment together at the zoo.
My legs feel tired, but my heart feels happy.
Today was really very special. I learned something important.
Learning from real life is always the best way to grow.
Yes, every experience teaches us something valuable in life.
I really like these moments when we stay together like this. It feels so nice.
Me too. I feel very safe and secure with you all the time.
Our home is waiting for us.
Let's take some rest when we reach there after this long and tiring day. We are home. Now please wash your hands properly.
I want to sit down and relax for a while.
I'm tired, but I still feel very happy.
Today was a special family learning day.
Yes, family time and safety are always the most important.
Yes, and I'm so glad we made such beautiful memories together today.
If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more simple English stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.